a girly girl, and this is the way she dressed.
Yeah.
And she has a knife.
It's kind of sad how it covered my makeup. And I couldn't dress all.
But we're gonna do a stuffy video, so let's go.
Bye.
But stuffy means stuffed animal, just to tell you.
Obviously.
Yeah, what's going on? What is going? You might see our feet and then we can see weird stuff on the ground, but this video we tried our best making it. TV. Stalker TV in the background.
We're doing this because this is the 100th video.
Yes, and it's special. Like, so special to us. I mean, I grow up. My YouTube account grows up so fast. But I'm not stopping YouTube. Never. Twizzler. It's not a real Twizzler. It's an eraser. There's a chip. Ugh. Are you a reindeer? Because I'm a kitty cat and you're a reindeer. I'm a kitty cat and you're a reindeer.
There's horror music playing.
Like Elmo. No offense to people that like Elmo.
No offense.
Yeah.
And Dora.
No offense to people who like Dora too.
No offense to people that like this stuff. No.
We're just saying it because most people don't like it.
Yeah.
But no offense. No offense. But Dora is kind of freaky. She's like, where's the mountain? Here, there's the mountain. Shouts the little kid. Where's the mountain? There's the mountain. Where's the mountain? There's the mountain. Where's the mountain? There's the mountain. And then Dora kicks them and then blows up. I actually think it's opposite because I'm a kitty cat and she's a reindeer.
I'm a kitty cat.
I'm a girl. But then I was being stupid. I'm a reindeer and I'm a girl reindeer, but I have horns. But
I'm
girls
supposed to hunt you.
Epic snake vision. No, this is a vision of a snake. I bumped my head into here.
Yes, and in case you were wondering how
You're talking
this
here.
is Charlotte 1047622, or known as for the ponies, the Fluttershy freak, because I love Fluttershy.
Boomerang!
Something is attacking the camera.
Something is attacking the camera.
This video is 237.
Boobity!